Welcome to the accounting class. In this session we're going to learn about the first of the financial statements that is prepared. This is the income statement. What is an income statement? An income statement is prepared from the accounts of the adjusted trial balance. It tells us how much gross profit has been made, and it also tells us the net income. Of course, if we have not made a profit, it tells us the loss that we have made. Income statements relate to a period of time, either a month or a quarter or a year. Gross profit is calculated by subtracting the cost of the goods sold from the revenue and income of sales. Net income is calculated by subtracting the operating expenses from the gross profit. These two calculations are set out in column form to give us the income statement. Sales less cost of goods will equal gross profit. Gross profit less the operating expenses will equal net income. Let's look at a short case study. Pearl Gem runs a small store in Florida selling compact discs and DVDs. We're going to look at her events for October. We start by looking at her adjusted trial balance. These are the accounts that we are interested in. Note that these are the accounts that relate to revenues and to expenses. To determine gross profit, we're actually only interested in the first two of these accounts, the revenue from sales and the cost of goods sold. We set out these figures in column form. She has total sales of $120,000, cost of goods sold $60,000, and therefore profit $60,000. Note that these figures, which are used in the calculation, are set out in the third column. Now let's look at the expenses. We can see from that trial balance that there are going to be several different expense accounts. We set out the details from these expense accounts in the second column of our income statement. We now total our expenses, and then we set out our calculation using the third column of the income statement again. All that we now need to do is add the headings for this financial statement. We need to add the name of the business, the title of the statement, the income statement, and the period to which it refers. And here it is. An income statement for Pearl Gem for the month ending October the 31st, 2007. You can search the internet for examples of income statements. This one shows part of the income statement for Apple computers. This is the end of our session on the income statement. Thank you for watching and for listening.